Yeah, we about to get right on into it. Wi-Fi's on. I just gotta join up the chat. I already have it started, so everybody's there. I ain't gonna lie, I was looking for shorts, and that shit look like it's already happened. R.I.P. Ski. If it retraces like this, I'll probably watch the shorts at that 4-hour gap that I was gonna look to target. But now we have 30 bucks. We have 400. Let that focus on it. We have 400 right now. Is that a black Cybertruck? There's the alert. There's the alert. I'm closing it right there. Closing it. Close it right there. I think I'll close it like 560. For the day, we're at about 175. Here, we're about to go to the payout. And then here's our confirmation email. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. And right now, we're about to get this VIP session started. We're in a location. We have a hot tub. We're about to get straight to work. Because right now, I ain't gonna lie, it's already 9:30. And I gotta get this VIP chat started. We gotta hop in this hot tub. We gotta check out by 11. So it gives us enough time to be able to try to get some work done, to try to see what we could do on this fine day. So let's see what we could do. Yeah, we about to get right on into it. Wi-Fi's on. I just gotta join up the chat. I already have it started, so everybody's there. 33 people. Let's get to work. Looks like we already had a move. Damn, the move I was looking for looks like it's already happened, man. I ain't gonna lie, I was looking for shorts and that shit look like it's already happened. I ain't gonna lie. Not gonna lie to ya. Yeah, I like these shorts idea. I might just give it a sec. I'm gonna see if it fills in the gap fully first. See what it does. But I like the idea. My only thing is just it's gonna be betting on the continuation. Let's see, we still at break even. Let's see what happened. I hear myself. Shit, whatever it was, that shit gave the dollar that momentum. R.I.P. Ski. Yeah, today we had that movement at 9:45, but ever since then it's been slow. Even if this were to push up here, this is the entry that I would have wanted. I would have wanted to see it go deeper. This looks like it's a retracement. If it retraces like this, I'll probably watch the shorts at that 4-hour gap that I was gonna look to target, because I was for the bulls, but I wanted to see like a really good like wick to at least solidify that, yeah, this is the low, like we're gonna go higher and type shit. But it looks like there still could be a low to be made. Yeah, because I'm looking at all base. If you look at the 4-hour, I'm looking at something like right up there. We can get a retracement within a good time. Since the 4-hour candle's so early, might be able to at least use that and then target this low into the gap, and I could try to get out there. But we'll see if that happens or not. It's all hypothesis. All I know is I'm just gonna sit here in this hot tub. I gotta be out of this place by 11, so I got until then. All right, so far for the day, we took the 1L. It is what it is. We're down 160. I'm still eyeing trades. I'm still watching shorts now. Everything kind of shift biases, but I ain't mad at it. I've been able to enjoy it in the hot tub. I even thought about, since I took the $160 loss, I might just take a $160 payout from Top Step since I'm eligible, just to kind of make up for it and just to make an L into a W. But right now I'm about to start packing everything up just so I can have it ready. But I'm still active with them and everything. I'll keep you guys updated with if anything else happens, but I just got to get this all packed up. All right, we're about to be on with the rest of our day. I got to go get gas before I head on this ride. My girlfriend's at work, as you guys know, but now it's just me and Luna. We got to head on this hour drive back to the house. Hopefully there's no traffic, but she's hot. She's hot. I'm about to go see if I can get her some water, but I don't got a shirt on. So it might be a little awkward, but they'll be all right. I'm in Florida. What's the worst that can happen? I don't see anything on the charts as of right now. I took the 1L for $160. It is what it is. I didn't trade the Hanko trade account because, as you guys know, my rule, if you win 2 days, don't trade the third. If you lose 2 days, don't trade the third. And if it's on one account, if you have multiple accounts, don't trade that account. And that's what I did. I won the first 2 days of the week. I didn't trade the funded yesterday. And then I won the second 2 days of the week. And so I didn't trade today on Hanko trade. And we just got a small L, so I can't complain. Can't complain at all. But right now I just gotta reverse into this gas. We about to get gas, head on home, and continue our day type shit.
The 4-hour, that's the reason I was even watching you in the first place. I figured that if it closes that gap, that is what's gonna give it a strong enough momentum.
My entry is gonna be like right at the 4-hour gap. That's what I'm trying to get at.
I'm not in yet though. I'm waiting still. I had the alert on a little early so that way I could come and watch. You know what I mean? Or I could get another push up.
Oh. You know what? I'm going to take it right here anyway. Now that Sarah. Let me get this. Yeah, I just sold just right here.
Copy. I'm about to sell right now too.
Let's see if this is gonna end up 100% flipping bullish.
Oh, alright, calm. And then you just came back type
Now,
shit.
yeah, I came back. I was like, I'm getting my money's worth today.
Type shit
But now we up
serious.
30 bucks. We up 30 bucks.
Also up 30 bucks.
Oh man. Let's see. Yeah, we got about a 14-minute drive still. Let's see what we can do in 14 minutes.
My stop loss is a little high.
But I'm about to take a shower real quick, burger. So I'm gonna get back up with you after the trade. Not after the trade, but after the shower and shit. We're gonna see what it's doing. But right now, we just hit 12 o'clock. We're gonna see what price doing. All right, right now, I ain't gonna lie. You can probably see my underwear. Don't look at those. I just got out the shower, but I wanted to update you guys on this trade. Right now, we're 4 contracts deep, and we're up about $150. Yeah, we're up about 140 right now. We're not break even on the trade yet. I'm looking to target at least like $180 to $200. That's mainly where I'm looking to break even. But I just had to tell you guys that because I need you guys to be updated with this trade. Right now it is approximately 12:17. The trade just started playing out around 12, so it's only been like 17 minutes of real volume. But nonetheless, we're gonna see. The trade doesn't look bad. Just gotta let time play and see what we can do. If this plays out, we're gonna make our trade that we lost ×2, ×3, depending on how this actually plays out, but only time will tell. I'm about to go to the store, then we're gonna go to the gym. All right, right now, hold on, let me try to do this. I'm gonna put my camera under the steering wheel, and all right, that was a dumbass shit. Never mind, I don't know what I was trying to do to there, but we're just gonna forget about it. Let me get into this left lane, try to steer with my camera, so I can show you guys that right now I'm in profit, $200. Look at this. Woo! Swerve, but we safe swerving. We up $200. We about to hit TP1. No kizzy. We hitting it, but we about to go to my gross break. You know what time it is. But I'm keep you guys updated. I'm like a fucking I don't even know, like a live TV anchor, live on air, live in the motions. I don't care if I'm driving. I don't care if I'm swimming, driving a boat, driving a plane. I'm a record this live action content, you feel me? All right, we starting to move. We up 400. We up 400. Let that all focus on it. We up 400 right now. $400. $400. If we can get to like 500, 600, I'm gonna take profit on that, John. Oh, fucking camera fell. Sit the fuck back there. Nah, fuck you. Yeah, once this trade hits TP, I'm taking a withdrawal today. Easy. I'm probably gonna take about maybe. If this trade wins, is that a black Cybertruck? That's an all black Cybertruck. First time I actually seen a wrapped Cybertruck. It's all black. You guys wouldn't be able to see it, but it's all black Cybertruck. I try to see it on the way out. But if I win this trade and it wins me $500-600, I'm taking a $400 or $500 payout. Simple as that. I'm telling you that right now. We're gonna have a payout this video if this trade hits our TP. Simple. I'll keep you guys updated. I'll just show you guys when the trade actually hits, so I'm not back and forth. There we go. Come on. Just a little bit lower. But now waiting for this to hit. Once the alert goes off, I'm gonna have the alert. Everyone's gonna hear the alert. She gonna hear the alert. You gonna hear the alert. I'm gonna hear the alert. Come on, we almost there. I just need like that 570 around there. It's a couple points away, but a couple points, you know how that shit get. I will miss it by a couple points and it will never come back. We about to hit it, 550. The alert's gonna go off and everything. I just need the alert to actually hit so I can just close it. These alerts or something. There's the alert. I'm closing it right there. Closing it. Close it right there. I think it'll close at like 560. So for today, we made 393 on this account. So we took the one L of 160 and then we just took that one of about 580. Let me see exact what it closed at. But there we go, right at 1 o'clock. There, right on the dot. That volume at 1 o'clock was all I needed. The winning trade was for $563. That was the winning trade, because since I only won one trade, that was for the winning trade. And then for the day, 393. Not bad. The trade played out. And look, price went up a little bit anyway, so I took profit right when I could have. Best case scenario, and then that's the account right now. 21.30. Not bad. So out of that 393, I'm probably gonna withdraw like 200 of it, 390, just cause. All right, so right now we made it back to the house and everything, and I just wanted to do a little review on the day. So overall, today was an amazing day. Majority of my day, I was driving around trying to go places just because I was all the way from the Airbnb that was an hour away from my house. Had to take my girlfriend to work, had to come back, had to go drop my dog off, went to her break, came back, went and got her after work. But in between all of that, in the midst of the chaos, we were still able to end the day successfully. So as you guys know, the trades that we took today, we took 2 trades. We took 1 loss for $160, and then we took 1 win. We took 1 win for about $596, and we ended the day with about $393 in profit on the funded account. I didn't trade the Hanko trade account. The Hanko trade is my live account. I've won the last 2 days, so you guys know my rule. I didn't trade it today. But that's cool. We always have tomorrow. Tomorrow's the end of the week, so we're going to more than likely end it off with a bang nonetheless. But how much money did I make today? I'm going to show you guys all of the numbers, all transparency as always. So far for VIP sales for the day, we're at about 175, and right now it is only about 7 o'clock. So that's not bad. It could go up more, but this is usually around what it is. So that's not bad. 175 with VIP sales plus 393. Let me do the math. I haven't done the math today. We're about $538 for the day, and that's not counting any YouTube money, but YouTube money doesn't really get calculated until the end of the month. It's only a one-time payment every month, so it's not really something I'm gonna get paid for until the next check, so I don't really count that. But this is money I can take away right now, withdraw right now. And one thing I'm gonna actually be doing before we end this video is I'm gonna be walking you guys through my second payout on this Top Step account. We're about to do a payout for $130. I was gonna do for $300, but I looked at the account balance. I saw that the account balance was $2,130, so I just thought I'll take the $130 payout just so I can continue to keep aiming for that 30 days and keep that buffer, and I'll still be able to trade that $2,000. At the end of the day, you got to be able to pay yourself. I don't care if it's either your funded account, if you're trading a $100 account, a $50 account, you got to pay yourself something, especially if you're someone that hasn't made money trading before, someone that hasn't withdrew money, someone that hasn't made money from something else besides your job. You need to pay yourself. You need to give yourself something. You got to show yourself it's possible. Until you show yourself it's possible, you're not going to have the confidence in yourself. You're not going to have the confidence in your system, your process, what you do on a day-to-day basis. But since me, I'm getting withdrawals doing the same thing on both a live account, on both a funded account. I'm getting progress. I'm getting results on my YouTube channel. I'm getting results on my businesses. It motivates me and inspires me to continue doing it because I'm seeing that it works. But until you pay yourself, until you see the rewards for what you're doing, the results, you're not going to have that same confidence. Last time I refreshed this, it was this morning, so we're about to refresh it. Let it all update. The current should be 2130 right there. Yep, 2130 is the current. The weekly, so far we're up $858 for the week, and it's Thursday. Not bad. This is just money made just from trading. Low risk too. You guys have seen it, especially in VIP. You guys seen all the trades. But right now we have 15 winning trading days, and we've had the account for about 19 days, and we have a 84% win rate. And this is a very good win rate right now. Right now I'm having a very good win streak. And I don't expect it to last forever, but I'm just gonna continue doing what I do every day, following the process. But here, we're about to go to the payout. This is gonna be the second payout. The first payout, I have the video on it, so make sure you go check the video maybe from a week ago. I think it was from last week or 2 weeks ago, something like that. But we're gonna go over. I forget which one I did it before. I think I did a wire transfer. We're just gonna do everything we need to. Payout amount, I'm just gonna do $130. And $45, and then that'll leave me with about $2,000 in my balance still. Let's see, click everything. I understand. Yeah. Let's see. Now, we requested our payout. Now we wait. I'll check my email to see if I got anything already. And then here's our confirmation email. Boom, $130. Not bad, just a little something just to pay myself for the time. Even though I'm up $858 for the week, as you guys saw. Let me go back to it. Right over here, as we're up $858 for the week, we're up $858. I can easily take more money, but it's not about that. Right now, I'm going for my 30 trading days. 30 trading days are going to allow me to take 100% withdrawal whenever I want, and I'll be able to take 100% of my money whenever I want. That's the main thing. If I make $500 today, I could take the 500. If I make 1,000 today, I can take that 1,000 if I have a large enough buffer. But that's why I'm leaving I'm leaving 2,000 so I can continue to grow it so that by the time I get to that 30 days, I can have a good amount in my account. It's been a great week so far. A great week. It's been a great month. I can't lie. I can't complain. No complaints at all. Hopefully that this payout everything can go through before the weekend. It's Thursday right now. More likely it's not going to go through today, but hopefully they can make it go through and I can at least do all the paperwork that I need to. I'm not sure if I'm going to really need to do anything different this time. The first time I did have to sign all the tax papers and everything, but I'm pretty sure that was just because it's the first payout with them. So I'm not really sure how this one's going to go. It's not the same as a broker. The broker pays you through Bitcoin, so it's a little bit different compared to this. But at the end of the day, it don't matter. We're making money. We're continuing to change lives. We're continuing to give value by creating content and giving value from our experience. The only reason you guys continue watching these videos is because I'm talking to you guys about things that are really happening, that things that you can actually find value in. You got to understand the reason that I'm even paying myself is to show myself that it's real, to not do all this for nothing. There's been so many times where I've been trading challenges, I've been trading demo accounts, trying to get better, trying to pass challenges. I've been trading live accounts, blowing money, losing trades, not making money. And now that I'm in a position where I'm winning and winning, I'm gonna take something, because what if something happens maybe in my life and then it causes me to go on tilt one day and I blow the entire account. And then I did all this for a month, 2 months for nothing. No, I'm going to learn from my experience, and I suggest you do the same thing. Pay yourself something. It doesn't need to be a whole lot. I paid myself $130 on this payout and $220 on that payout. And I've made, the highest I've had this account is $2,300. In total, I've probably made over, let me just do the math. In total profits, like all the winning trades in total on this account, it's been $6,400. $6,400 just with winning trades. Yes, there's been losses, but that's been a lot of money accumulated. Imagine if you took nothing. I've made way more than I've actually took, but I'm trying to build that buffer. I understand if I would have been taking big payouts, I more than likely would have blown the account because I wouldn't have enough money. I wouldn't have enough money in there so to hold that buffer. You got to understand that these funding companies only allow you so much. Once you're in profit, you're only going to be risking your profit. They don't want to have no downside for them. I understand it from the business aspect, but you got to understand it from the trader's aspect. You got to understand it from your point of view. Without understanding the game, how do you expect to win? But at the end of the day, this is where we're going to end the video off. I appreciate you guys for watching. I appreciate you for coming here every single day and watching to the end and just allowing me to give value, allowing me to try my best to be able to change your life. So make sure, if you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn what I do on a day-to-day basis, like you see me trade this morning, the trade you see me take a L on, and the trade you see me take a W on, there's reasoning behind it. And if you want to know what that reasoning is, check out the free course. It has everything you need from 0 all the way to 100, completely free. It's going to be in the description. And once you're actually ready to use all that stuff that I teach you in the course, because without experience, without actually trying it yourself, you're never going to have the confidence to actually do it yourself, to actually do it by yourself without my help. You got to get experience. And how are you going to do that? Use a demo account. How are you going to use the demo account? Go to Hanko Trade. That's also going to be in the description. That's the broker that I recommend. The prop firm that I recommend is Top Step. But at the end of the day, it's really whatever you want to use is up to you. If you want a broker, go to Hanko Trade. If you want a prop firm, go to Top Step. That's my opinion. Make sure you do that so you can actually use the concepts, get experience with the concepts, so you can actually get the confidence to use it real time with real money. And then at the end of the day, if you want to get that experience with me, with the community, and take the trades with me, take my trades and learn from the trades, make sure you join the community and join the VIP Trading Network. So with that being said, stay safe, stay productive, and I'm going to see you guys in tomorrow's video.